Planning for the future of your farming operation can be challenging, and those conversations can be a little bit sensitive. But that's why the Indiana Agricultural Law Foundation is offering a helping hand. In today's Indiana Farm Report, I spoke to the director of the foundation about how they're helping families prepare for the future. I also spoke to a local farmer about the importance of planning ahead for future generations.
You really have to think about all parts of the operation and kind of plan out how the future is going to roll.
Planning how the future is going to roll is exactly what Tippecanoe County Farm Bureau President CORINA BRANT has done.
We took over my family's farm in Tippecanoe County, and my grandpa still does things alongside us and is a huge part in that. But we kind of took over the financial aspect as he retired out.
BRANT and her family have taken steps to prepare for the future of their farming operation.
Farming isn't a cheap operation in general, and so you never want to get hit with taxes. You have to think about your income. You have to think about all of the equipment that we use and land contracts. There's so many different factors that go into our operation.
And that's exactly where the Indiana Agricultural Law Foundation can help.
Estate and succession planning impacts every single farm in the state.
Director of the foundation, SHOUP, is encouraging everyone to attend the upcoming virtual estate and succession planning workshop.
Our hope is that our workshop will start the process that families communicate and think about the future.
This will be the 9th year for the workshop, which has helped guide families down the correct path when planning for the future.
As parents thinking about the future of the farm, what's fair? What's equitable? So I think it is difficult. And again, part of our program will be how to initiate that communication, which is so important.
Those conversations planning for the future can be challenging, but SHOUP says they're necessary.
I think we could all think of examples of either our family or other families where the estate planning process or the result of that process has led to fractured relationships in the family. Something's going to happen. Planning is required. Oftentimes folks have not a good plan or also no plan.
SHOUP and BRANT both agree planning for future generations is extremely important.
We want to farm for the future, and so while we are just starting our farming journey, we always want to think about the future, and so we want to make sure that we instill our family farm values into the future for our kids and for those future generations to come.